Eileen, you should have been here. We were counting on you to walk the whole way from Hollywood to Portland on your bare little feet and get here and be a rock star for us. Now we'll just have to wait till November when we come down to Hollywood.
Eileen, I know it's really neat, but I'm sad that you weren't here. You did a great job in the film.
Eileen, we missed you at the premiere. You were so evil and wonderful. Hopefully we'll see you in LA during one of the previews there.
Good job in the movie, you scared the shit out of me.
Eileen, we missed you. You did a fantastic job. Thank you so much for everything. Wonderful actress. Can't wait to have you up for the prequel or the sequel.
Eileen, we miss you so much. It wasn't quite the same without you. You did an amazing job. Thank you so much for your performance. We really miss you.
Eileen, we love you. I'm so sad that you weren't here. I really wanted to see you and chat. It was a huge success, and it was an honor to work with you.
Hi Eileen, I love you. I miss you. I just saw the movie for the first time and it was incredible. You're super freaky and scary, but I know how silly you are. And I wish you could be here, and I'm gonna come to LA and see you. Love you.
Hi Eileen, just finished watching the premiere. It's great. Wish you were here. It went over very, very well. So it was great working with you. Hopefully we will again in the future.